Hi guys, so I promised to make this video earlier on, but unfortunately didn't have time to edit it. So here is the video on how to prepare pawpaw leaf tea for cancer supportive treatment, that is cancer adjunct treatment. Please, there is a reason for every single step being taken. That's why I said at the end of this video for you to check the caption. I want you to check the caption so that I explain in details why each step was taken, because there is, like I said, a rationale behind every single thing. For instance, the use of the clay pot is intentional, and I will explain that in the caption. So this is supportive treatment. This should not take the place of chemotherapy.